Morning, friends. Today we are learning the topic regarding hepatitis. Hepatitis is the infection and inflammation of the liver. Types of hepatitis, which are defined and based on the duration. They are acute hepatitis and the chronic hepatitis. First one, acute hepatitis is the last for 6 months or less. The chronic hepatitis is the sustained inflammatory response for over 6 months. Viral hepatitis. The causes of viral hepatitis are common causes are hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Less common are cytomegalovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, rare herpes simplex, and yellow fever. Acute viral hepatitis. It is the most common form of acute hepatitis. It is caused by hepatitis virus, hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, and E. All of the which are RNA virus, except hepatitis B virus is a DNA virus. Hepatitis D virus is an incomplete RNA virus and requires the presence of hepatitis B virus to cause infection. It's need an hepatitis B virus to create an infection towards a man. Then mode of transmission. In hepatitis A virus and hepatitis E virus is a fecal-oral route. Both viruses are implicated in most instances of water-borne and food-transmitted infection and in epidemics of viral hepatitis. Hepatitis B virus is mainly transmitted by parenteral route, example blood and blood products and contaminated needles, sexual contacts and perinatal note. The virus is found in all body fluids and excreta. Like hepatitis B virus, the hepatitis C virus is largely transmitted parenterally. It is the main cause of post-transfusion hepatitis. The virus is transmitted through the sexual and perinatal routes. Then clinical manifestation. First, in the acute hepatitis has a prodromal phase. It leads to 1 to 4 weeks. Non-specific systemic symptoms: flu-like, photophobic, taste change, nausea, anorexia, vomiting, malaise, fatigue, fever, arthralgia, headache, natural rigidity, and dull abdominal pain. Then hystetric phase. During the hystetric phase, hepatocellular necrosis and shrinkage occurs, cholecystitis, and dark urine and pale stool, pruritus, weight loss, and tender autism. Then spider navy, pulmonary erythema mimics reactivation. Hepatitis seen as a coagulopathy. Then third one is a recovery phase. Within 1 to 4 months, symptoms are resolved. And chronicity leads to B and C and D viruses. Then fourth stage is convalescence stage. Leads for 3 to 4 weeks. All the symptoms are resolved. Lab reports are normalized. Liver BX is persist. Then viral hepatitis. Diagnosis: severity seen in bilirubin, albumin, and prothrombin times. Then serology markers are taken. IgM is acute and reactivation. Chemistry shows 100x raised. PCR determines load. Poor prognostic patterns: co-infection, immunocompromised, obesity, extreme ages, high virginemia, alcohol consumption, comorbids, delayed treatment. The treatment shows goals: prevention of cirrhosis and complications, decrease extra hepatic manifestation, prevent further transmission. IFN, LME, and ribavirin, adinavir, and entecavir are used. Limited FSF and ESLD are used. Then prevention given by the mass health education. Vaccines are used for mass and high risk peoples, including hepatitis virus A, B, and D, and immunoglobulin for A and B, PEP and rest of the cases. Then complications are cholestatic hepatitis, fulminant hepatitis. The commonly follows hepatitis A virus and B virus, usually super infection of hepatitis B virus infection by HDV virus. Then HCV and HCV are tested during in pregnancy. Then chronic hepatitis. Thank you friends. Like and share and comment.